President William Ruto Niwasungia Ndeto cia Musumbi wa Tene Uhuru Kenyatta ula Unatulile Mutĩ Utongoi wake kwa Kuwaa Milati ya Vata ila Weekie Nthini wa Utongoi wake ta Muvango wa Uiiti wa linda mama. Uhuru ainena Nthini wa umbano wa chama cha Jubilee Niwaisekana Kuvetangwa kwa Muvango na ula wa uteithio munene kwi Enenthi ni Kutumite Enenthi Makunika Muno Uiiti. Ruto Niwasungia na Asia kana Muvango ndwa Vetangwa indi Wikite Kwailya noketwa linda jamii ni kanotethie Enenthi onthe Ndeto ila Nene atadhini kimwe kila chatoiwa kimanyisioni kinene cha umma kila kikaunti ya Kajiado. Robert Mutuko na mauvo.
Many of the gains we had in the past have been eroded. Linda Mama and others replaced by new, untried, untested schemes.
Ni Uneeni ula utumite serikali itetea itina wa president uthiumwe ya Uhuru Kenyatta kumitula Mutĩ kwa Kuvetangwa walani wa linda mama ula serikali yake yaambisye kutetheesya mwaito alaito na vala president William Ruto waweta kana walani uyovo ateo ni mauvindu ite kutwika linda jamii ni kana kila mwene nthi asuvike.
Because of the lessons learned from the Linda Mama program, we designed the Linda Jamii program, which was an improvement from the Linda Mama program. So, Linda Mama was good. Linda Jamii is obviously better. And therefore, it is an improvement from what it was in terms of the scope, from just delivery of mothers, which was the primary target of Linda Mama. We've now improved it to cover prenatal, before the delivery, postnatal, the delivery itself, postnatal, and it's no longer targeting mama. It is targeting jamii, mama plus the children plus the household.
President Ruto ni woneka kutetea Kenyatta yenda tima Kenya kwanza kumonenga ndai yana kumukadhi ya nundu wa kuambisya linda mama ila imanengete masomo maingi Kwailya linda jamii.
And maybe use this occasion to the defense of my former boss, the former president, to defend him that we should be a bit magnanimous to him. He did time, led our country, and the Linda Mama program was a great program. We developed it under the Jubilee administration, under the leadership of President Uhuru. We learned a lot from the Linda Mama program.
Ona uyovo minisa wa Uiiti adenduhale ni waumbola kana linda mama yatiye mathie mambe wa bilioni 5 na yo NHIF yatiye mbe wa bilioni 300 hateo kwisila kwa shani meka sita na kunenga Enenthi aingi Uiiti.
They left us with 30 billion fictitious NHIF debt. Out of that debt, Linda Mama debt under NHIF inpatient was 4.8 billion. Outpatient was 306 million. In total, my good friend, my former leader, you have left us with 5.6 billion Linda Mama. You should thank us. We did not look for the money. We did not went to public liars and said you left us. You left us with the many debt. But today, because you started it, Linda Mama left a debt with us, Your Excellency.
Vilingi wa mauvo, nita wa Robert Mutuko.